Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
Yeah, my man's Stino again. We installing the key 50 diffuser on my G. I like thinking outside the box because I don't see people doing this shit for real. What we did was we cut off the little extra piece for the tips, cause I got quad tips, and that bitch sitting just like this. And he about to connect the third brake light right now. I like it. I ain't gonna lie, I like it a lot. We had went to Home Depot. Got this for rental, 4 hours for like $20. Yeah. Anything y'all need in DMV, man, hit my guy up, man. Ready? Yes, solid light. Hit the brake. Yes, What's good, YouTube? Hello? This is meet in Bowie, Maryland. Not even a meet, it's a car show. You gotta pay to get in, but it's supposed to be lit. It's supposed to be a bunch of cars, a bunch of builds. So, me and my guy, Q51, just wanted to stop in, check in, just grab some content for y'all, see what's going on. I don't got nothing else to do, it's a Sunday, so, yeah. That's the vibes right now, pulling up to the gas station. Thank you, bro, thank you. About to put that big 93. Cut out the music for y'all, we just cut into the car beat. So let me turn this Rollo off. Keep raining. It's like raining on and off. It rained for like a minute, then it don't rain no more. Then it rain for a minute, then it don't rain no more. I don't get it. Tired. Messing with Shawan. That's what happens. We just drive. That's what happens with him. I see him still trying to cut. Like, hey, wait for me, man. Look at him. I'm supposed to keep up with this bullshit. There's a whole bunch of shit going on. G skis. Lot going on, y'all see it. Whole lot going on, y'all. Yeah, man, about to see what's going on. About to see what type of car. As y'all see, they got a whole lot. A whole lot. They got a whole lot, y'all. I hope that music not gonna copyright me. The Type R. Got the G80 Z01 S4. Woo. Y'all see it, man.
Like yours.
That's a lot. That's a lot, low key.
Look at the
That's
rounds.
a lot of too much carbon going on, man. Got a whole lot of INC8 is hard. It's cute, it's hard too. Okay. Yeah, he put a lot of money in his car. Todd. This rat is hard. Right hand drive. Sorry. The S2000 right here. With the turbo kit and all this. Oh my god. I don't even know what I'm looking at. A whole bunch of fire shit. I don't see the view of the baseball field. Got the Velocity, it's called Velocipher. It's called the Lambo door. This hard. I don't know what type of carbon this is, but that's tough right there. Red guts, full carbon, speaker. His trunk open wide because he got subs. Oh, he on bags and he got the subs. Shoot. Got some smoke with a Camaro, y'all. You better stop me, y'all, while I torch him out. If I go ahead and torch that boy up, man, maybe you better stop. Y'all see him? He might want to cut it out. Stop it. I'm on that type of time and he might want to chill out. He might want to stop it. Try and catch back up, y'all. Let's see what he did. He got stuck. I bipped him up. Let's see what he did. He trying to catch up. I gotta take this exit though. He ain't trying. 120 for his bad ass. We better stop joking. We better stop playing. I see him. We better stop playing. I'm gonna smoke that thing. Please get out my way. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Fuck. That's 125 for your bad ass, boy. Slow ass RT. Better get that bullshit out of here. Damn, my guy, you like that bitch blatant, don't you? Oh, nigga, stare at that.